morning everybody from Sydney Domestic Terminal number 2. Just going to do a little bit of a vlog of my trip up to Cairns today. We sold a machine up there and it was delivered to a dealer, and they're kindly giving me a hand to take the machine out, and I'm going to do the training today. So looking forward to that. Always a bit of fun flying anywhere. Anyway, got through security and all that sort of stuff, got detected for bombs, as seems to always happen. I don't know whether do I look like a terrorist? I don't know. Seems to happen all the time. Anyway, I think that's all for now. I got a plane to catch, so I'll see you in Cairns. Yeah, okay, so welcome to Cairns, Glenn. Beautiful one day, pissing down the next. Let's see if we can find this car. Getting through the... Oh, this is, yeah, really not good. Anyway, it is what it is. I'll just have to do my best. Hey guys, back here at Cairns Airport, preparing to head home. Just thought I'd wrap up the trip a little bit. I have to say, it was a really good day yesterday. Neither the customer nor the dealer had seen the machine before, which is an unusual situation. So there's always a bit of, I guess, nervousness on their part. They've just spent $50,000 on a machine that they've never seen being used. But it all went very well. The weather gods were good to us as well. It didn't rain while we were doing the training, only towards the end, so we'd wrapped up pretty much by then, so that was good. Customer was very excited. Even got a hug from the missus, and she thanked me for all the effort I went to and how pleasant I was to deal with, so that was very nice to hear. Anyway, that's all from me. I've got to catch a plane, guys. If you can like and subscribe to help me try and grow the channel with the algorithms and all that stuff that happens, I really appreciate it. But until the next time, I'll see you later. Bye now.